What's your question? After reading that, what's something that you don't know? You know what a chord is? So what's your question? Say it out loud. What is a chord? There we go. We got a question from Little Bit. What is a chord?
Good job, Little Bit.
Good job, Gary.
Epizio. All right, Epizio asked a good question. Listen up. Say it, Epizio.
You're gonna be old with it.
Something about the longest chord.
No, that's what you said.
I said, is there a difference between the short chord and long chord or something like that?
Is there a difference between the shortest chord and the longest?
Short chord, but
What's your knowledge?
You said what is the difference between the short chord and
don't write it yet.
Is there a short chord? Is that what you're saying?
Like, are there different types of chords?
Are there I like that question. Are there different types of chords? That's a good question. All right, 2 more. Then we got to move on. Dominique, you put your hand back down. Change your mind.
I got one.
Deontay.
How is triangle similar to
You gonna steal my question?
No, he saw that from the show. Actually, y'all all saw it from me.
Can I get a ticket, please?
Deontay, say that loud so the writer can hear you.
How are triangles similar to circles?
No, that's
How are triangles similar to circles?
no.
Bro, you gonna cheat, bro. You know that was me, bro. You already said that lie.
All right, last question. Last question. Epizio.
It said, like, the values and, like, how you find the values, the certain, like, letters, something like that. Yeah.
definitely got that.
Oh, I got one more. How do you use tangent in the circle?
How to use tangent with the circles?
Yeah.
I could have
I think we have that. We got that. We got that.
Dang, somebody took
Denisha. Last question. Denisha. How do you define a circle? Put that. How do you?
I need to stop at 2020.
It's saying how do you and how can.
Don't put I don't know what family in my question.
All right, y'all did an excellent job with this. I need right now everybody to take out some paper. Everybody take out some paper. Don't move. Don't all move at once.
I already got you.
You got your pen.
Tanisha, you did a phenomenal job.
Thank you, Tanisha.
Do I finish recording?
There you go.
Still, okay, the battery is going low.
That's fine.
Okay. It cut off and I had to start it back up again because the phone.
No, I'm gonna read the definition. No. Have a seat and take out some paper. Shane, you got some paper? Shane.
Yes, I do. It's right here.
Take out some paper. Thank you, Shane. All right, we have a figure on the board. We have a figure on the board. We have a circle with a bunch of lines on it. I'm about to read to you definitions. And by using these definitions, you're going to tell me which lines or lines, more than one, apply to these definitions.
Wait, don't start yet.
I'm not starting yet.
I can get you a picture.
When you see, no, you don't see no purpose. Wait, I gotta write. Hold on, listen. Y'all gotta listen.
So you have to listen. All I'm going to do is read the definition. And based on the definition, you're going to tell Miss Sinclair which line applies to that definition.
So what we need the paper for?
Because you need to write. These are your notes.
Okay.
First definition is the radius.
The one that got the right.
Quiet.
A through D.
A radius is a segment whose endpoints are the center and any point on the circle. I'll read it again. The radius is a segment whose endpoints are on the center and any point on the circle.
You said any point?
And any point on the circle. One last time. The radius is a segment whose endpoints are the center and any point on the circle. All right, raise of hands to tell Miss Sinclair, based on that definition, which of those line segments would be the radius?
I'm choosing.
Yeah.
Go ahead, Randy.
Which one?
Okay,
Tell us.
which one?
It's letters.
C to what?
No, Ring, sit down. Tell her. Tell her.
I can't see.
You saw C, baby. Come on.
I can see C.
To H.
C to H.
Okay. C to H. You guys agree with that?
Do we agree that's a radius?
Yeah.
Is that the only radius?
No.
Let's hear from somebody else. Go ahead, Shane.
From.
Oh, I'm sorry, Shane. You didn't write the definition. I can't hear from nobody yet. Deontay. You better get the definition from somebody.
E to F.
From E to F. Hold on.
E to
I'm going to
F.
read the definition again.
That's wrong, dog. The only one.
The endpoints are the center and any point on the circle.
Oh, never mind. Ain't no more.
You know what? Yes, it is. And one more.
I know one was the one that.
Hold on.
Jamesia. From C to D. Do we agree with that?
Yes.
That is a radius. C to D.
Good job, David. Is there another radius?
Yeah.
Let me redeem myself.
Dominique.
I think from C to A.
Do we agree with that? From C to A? According to the definition.
Is that all the radius? There's another radius?
Nothing else coming from the center, bro. Nothing else coming from the center of the circle. Look, that line is going up like
Oh, that's A to B. That's right.
From the center.
Center.
All right, so we understand radius.
Green don't.
Wait, I got a question.
Got an answer.
Where A at?
A is at the top.
Yeah, I didn't know that was A. I thought it was
Yeah,
one
man.
or something.
Your teacher wrote it that small.
But you couldn't write.
All right, next definition. A chord. C-H-O-R-D. A chord is a segment whose endpoints are on a circle. I'm going to read it again. I'm going to read it 2 more times. A chord is a segment whose endpoints are on a circle. One more time. A chord is a segment whose endpoints are on a circle. Which of those up there are a chord?
Hands up first.
I'm sorry. Taisha.
H.
Is that it? Just H? Let's hear the definition one more time.
Its endpoints
In.
are on a
Points.
circle.
Points.
Endpoint.
In.
Hands was up first.
A to B. Okay.
A to B, yes, those are endpoints. On this-
Baby, I'm sorry. I'm going to get to you, okay? I just got to you last time, though, didn't I? Thank you. Let me hear from somebody else. Tierra. A to D. Do we agree with that based on the definition from A to D? All right, good. Are there any more?
There's one more.
Yes.
Let Deontay do the last one because I gotta redeem myself.
Terry,
Yeah.
based on the definition, E to F, is that true?
Yes.
Are y'all sure that's a chord?
Yeah.
How we know that's a chord?
Because the end points are on the circle.
Okay, I'm just asking.
Can I say why C in Never mind.
Are there any more chords?
Yes.
No, it's
H
not.
button on.
A, B, E, F, A, B.
It's F to
Ooh,
E.
see it?
B
E
to
to
F.
Yeah, that's it.
Dominique, you see another chord?
Yeah.
You see another one?
Where?
But look, it's a semicircle, so it's still countdown.
Oh, I see what you're about to say. No, it has to be a full circle, Dominique. I know exactly what you're talking about. It has to be a circle, not a semicircle.
Okay.
You're going to say CH?
No.
What were you gonna say?
I was gonna say
CH.
I know circles deal with chords.
All right, so we have an understanding for chords. Next definition. A diameter. A diameter, D-I-A-M-E-T-E-R.
Thank you, Mr. Johnson.
A diameter is a chord that contains the center of the circle. A diameter is a chord that contains the center of the circle.
So it's
C.
Raise your hands.
Shane.
I say one more time. A diameter is a chord that contains the center of the circle. Let's see if we remember first. What is a chord, class?
Chord and ones that are on the circle.
Okay.
I got one.
So,
What's a chord again?
H.
It's
This
a
be
chord.
the one,
Somebody help Shane out. You almost there, but you're making a slight mistake. Anisha. Correct. Can you explain to him, what did you say initially? A to C to H? Is that what you said?
No, I said A to Z.
Okay, explain to him, Tanisha, why A to C is not correct, but A to D is in fact correct.
Because a chord goes from one part of, from the top of the circle to the bottom.
From one point to
One
another.
point to another. And C stop in the middle.
And it goes, you understand the
Mr.
difference?
Johnson, make sure you be more clear on next time.
I was obviously clear enough because
No, you were not. And you ain't say top to bottom because I would have got that.
Did you write that one down?
All right, my question, class. Can I ever have more than one diameter?
Yeah.
What's another way I can have a diameter?
Horizontal.
Vertical.
Vertical up and down.
How many diameters can I have?
Or
Jaquil,
You can only have one.
2 diameters.
I can only have 2
You
diameters.
have up to 1,000,000 diameters because you can dissect that.
Yeah.
Straight power.
What has to happen for it to be a diameter? It just has
to go from 110 of the same to the top through the middle.
so as long as it goes through the center, it's a what? Diameter. There we go.
I'm sitting by you doing the test.
Mr. Muhammad.
All right. So we have one diameter in this particular example. Next definition. A secant. Secant. S-E-C-A-N-T. Secant.
Oh, I know it. Can I do it?
A secant is a line that intersects a circle in 2 points. I'll say it again.
Write it.
A secant
Put your hand down to the right.
is a line that intersects a circle in 2 points. What does intersect mean?
It means to go
Go
across each
across,
other.
go straight through.
Yeah.
To connect? Not connect, to intersect.
Same point, like to go through. Like,
Pass through.
yeah, pass through.
If you have a street that's an intersection, what does that mean? It means they cross each other, they go through, right?
Wait, Mr. Johnson, what you say after?
Hold on.
Intersect a circle.
They intersect a circle in 2 points.
In 2 points?
So we said intersect means go through. So we're looking for a line that goes through in how many points?
2. Oh, let me do
Oh, I
that.
got one.
Let me do that for you.
A.
I'm gonna name myself.
I'm looking for somebody we haven't heard from yet. Go ahead,
B and A.
No, you won't.
I told her.
All right, but look,
A.
I want y'all to notice the notation. We have AB in the chord and we have AB in the secant. Do we see the difference in that notation?
Yeah.
What is the difference in that notation?
This one and this one.
Because in the chord is the line, and then in the second they have arrows at the end.
So what's the difference in that? hold on, I just heard the answer. He didn't raise his hand, I just heard the answer. Deontay, what did you just say?
I said it made it keep going.
It continues.
Never ending.
We have this right here, and we have this right here.
That's mean line segment and line.
Okay,
Hey man, hey,
Jacqueline, you're killing us.
I'm proud of you, man.
You're going to start teaching the class in a minute.
This one right here means line. Listen, this is important. This one right here means a line segment. You guys aren't paying attention. This one is a line. A segment has two end points, which means it starts here and it ends here. Segment. A chord is a what? A chord is a segment. This right here is a line. A line keeps what? It goes forever. It has the arrows. So is a secant a chord? Is a secant a chord? No, a secant is not a chord.
You don't hear my little... Wait.
No.
You just said a chord.
Can I help you out with that one?
Yes.
Because you know my little lame self, I'm always trying to help you remember it, right? You can't see it ending. So if it's not ending, it keeps going, right? It may have worked for somebody, and it probably didn't, but whatever. So a secant, you can't see it ending. Everybody got it? It has everything.
What else?
So going back at it.
What out?
A secant, listen, is a secant a segment?
No.
What is a secant?
Can't see it.
A secant is a line. A line.
Can't see it.
Mr. Johnson, I had said that first though.
I'm proud. I'm happy for you.
Is there another secant?
Yes. H.
Oh, let's hear the definition again.
No, because it was up to the circle.
Let's hear the definition again.
Listen. Hold on, Taisha. Why is H not a
Hey, no,
secant?
I know that. I said that.
Because it doesn't have 2 points, or it doesn't
It don't
what?
go through.
It doesn't go through 2 points. All right, last definition. Last definition before you go. A tangent. A tangent. James, pay attention. I need you to pay attention. A tangent is a line in the plane of a circle that intersects the circle in exactly 1 point. So basically what I'm
You're going off on a tangent.
You're going off on a tangent.
I know it.
So basically the tangent is a line segment that intersects the circle at exactly 1 point. The tangent is a line in the plane of a circle that intersects the circle in exactly 1 point.
So ain't got it yet.
1 point.
Say it again.
The tangent is a line in the plane of a circle that intersects the circle in exactly 1 point
What's the word after plane?
of a circle.
Shane,
H.
how do you know?
Because it's so
Shane just went off on a tangent. First he was on task, and then he started doing other stuff and got off task, right?
So that's what I was saying.
So he went off on a tangent. First you were on task. This is you being on task, and then you started going in 2 separate directions for the most part.
Alright, so what's the difference? Raise of hands. What's the difference between a secant line and a tangent line? Dominique.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't get my ticket.
Secant, enters at 2, and you can't say it.
Put the one on that period. That's the same.
And the tangent enters at.
I can't hear her.
Yes, I'm being rude.
Go. Come on, hurry up, Dominique.
A secant enters at 2, you can't see it. And
So secant intersects at 2 points. Tangent intersects at how many points? 1 point. Exactly 1 point.
Let's do rough and drawing real quick. Everybody put their tickets in the box.
Is that it, Mr. Johnson? Is that it?